Hi, this video talks about how we can look up the current Galileos Implant Database version on a computer, and if it's not the latest version, this video goes through how we can download the latest version. So in order to look up which version is currently installed, we can look for the control panel on the computer. So if we open up the control panel and go under Programs, uninstall a program, it comes up with all the programs installed on the computer and their version. And here we can see Galileos Implant Database. That's the one that we want to check. And here I can see on my computer, it's on the latest version being the 1.9.6. And that's the version that's required in order to do Seri Guide 3. So let's say I did not have the latest version and I would have 1.9.5. What I could do is go onto the CCAD website. So we can go to ccat.com. On the CCAD website, under Support and Downloads, we can find, if we scroll down the page, we can find the Galileos Implant Database version 1.9, and it says the latest version with a release date. We can now go onto the download option, and the download will start in and will probably take, it shows here 20 hours at the moment. For me, realistically, it will probably take a couple of hours to download. So I would recommend to do that overnight, like starting at the end of the day or starting at the beginning of a day, but it might slow down the computer slightly. I already downloaded this version a while ago, so just because we won't wait for this video now for it to be downloaded, it can be found in the download folder later on once it's finished, and we can then select that file here in the download folder, and it will open up the install process. So here we literally just follow the next steps. I get options here to change, repair, or remove this version. This is purely because it's already installed on my computer, but you would have an installation button on this window, and you just proceed with the installation. As soon as the computer is restarted, the latest Galileos Implant Database will be active in Galaxis.